Join the community of more than 2 million Binomists who are investing online with Binomo. Start trading today with Binomo.
After Indian origin Parag Agrawal takes charge of Twitter, Stripe CEO Patrick Collison tweeted that 6 US tech giants are now run by Indian origin CEOs. Google, Microsoft, Adobe, IBM, Palo Alto Networks, and now Twitter are run by CEOs who grew up in India. It is wonderful to watch the amazing success of Indians in the technology world. It's a good reminder of the opportunity America offers to immigrants. Congrats, Parag Agrawal, Collison tweeted. Elon Musk then responded to Patrick's post by saying, USA benefits greatly from Indian talent. While the lens is on Indians in tech, here's a quick rundown on the Desis heading US companies. Sundar Pichai is CEO of Alphabet Inc. and its subsidiary Google. The 49-year-old was born in Tamil Nadu, India. He earned his degree from Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur in Metallurgical Engineering and received a master's degree and MBA in the United States. Pichai began his career as a materials engineer. Pichai then joined Google in 2004 and was elevated to CEO in 2015. Satya Nadella took charge of Microsoft as CEO in 2014. Born in Hyderabad, he received his bachelor's in electrical engineering from the Manipal Institute of Technology in Karnataka in 1988. Later, he traveled to the United States for master's degree in science and then an MBA. He joined Microsoft in 1992. Shantanu Narayan has been the chairman, president, and chief executive officer of Adobe Inc. since December 2007. Born in Hyderabad, he earned a bachelor's degree in electronics and communication engineering from University College of Engineering, Osmania University in Hyderabad. He completed his higher studies in the United States. After working at several companies including Apple, Narayan joined Adobe in 1998. Arvind Krishna has been the CEO of IBM since 2020 and took on the role of chairman in 2021. He was born in India's West Godavari district in Telangana. He received a BTech degree in electrical engineering from Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur in 1985. He subsequently moved to the United States for PhD in electrical engineering and he joined IBM in 1990. Nikesh Arora took on the role of CEO and chairman at Palo Alto Networks in 2018. He got his bachelor's degree in electrical engineering from the Indian Institute of Technology BHU in Varanasi in 1989. He subsequently studied in the United States where he also did an MBA. Arora worked for Google, SoftBank and several other companies before joining Palo Alto Networks. The latest to join the ranks of Indian origin CEOs of US companies is Parag Agrawal, who succeeds Jack Dorsey as Twitter CEO. Parag did his early education in Mumbai, where he was born. He is an alumnus of Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. He completed his PhD from Stanford University. Agrawal joined Twitter in 2011 as Distinguished Software Engineer.